Yes, up full, my beautiful souls. This herb I'm here to talk to you about, this name is Sarsaparilla. They said it's from Honduras, South America, wherever they say it's from. Guess what? It's here. Let me tell you about this herb. This is one of the top three herb that is good for removing mucus from out of the body. What me say name? Sarsaparilla. Sarsaparilla is known by the ancient to remove mucus from the body, because without mucus there would be no disease on the planet. Mucus in your skin cancer. Mucus in your lungs, pneumonia. Mucus in your head, sinus. Mucus in your joints, arthritis, and it goes on. What are the benefits of Sarsaparilla? Sarsaparilla benefits, first thing it does, it eradicates skin disease. Yes, skin disease cannot come along. I told you, it removes the mucus. Second, it increases urination, meaning it cleanses the bladder. So consuming this, yes, it will let you urinate a lot. And that connects to the next benefit. It allows you to sweat. Not only that, guys that do a lot of gym, or women, this is a natural steroid. It also increases the testosterone growth in men, and also what it does, it increases sperm's motility. Look up that. Next, what it does, it removes all joints pain. Did I told you that it removed the arthritis from out of the heart of your knee? And last but not least, it is antibacterial, meaning it's a natural antibiotic. Sarsaparilla. How do you prepare it? Wow. Because of this, the elements in it are so tightly bound. You cannot just draw it and throw some hot water on it. You have to allow it to boil for at least 30 minutes. Then leave it to cool and seep. Then you drink at least a cup of it night and day. And my friend, I tell you, changes will happen in your life. Sarsaparilla, one of the top mucus remover. If this is not in your nutrition, you're dying because you have a diet that is not well.